Hello, welcome to the Mark Janad Show, the Cybersecurity Show. Let's talk about how to get a cybersecurity job with no experience. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. All right, so I have three things for you. Number one, understand yourself and the cybersecurity playing field. Start with figuring out what you're good at and ask yourself what the world needs and what you can get paid for. That's when you land your purpose. Combine all of that to find out the types of roles that you'd even like. There are a lot of transferable skills that you might not think would help you in a job search. For example, what you're good at. You might even have a knack for breaking things, says, Chris Evans, who's a chief hacking officer and CISO at HackerOne. Cybersecurity leaders might use a trait like your inherent clumsiness, for example, as a reason to hire you. What the world needs. That's because the popular term penetration testing, or pen testing for short, is the offensive method for identifying holes and weaknesses in a company's security network, breaking the system before malicious hackers can. Number two, learn the fundamentals of the role you're interested in. Next, after researching a role that interests you, it's time to learn how to do that job. Some of the best ways to learn without firsthand on-the-job experience are to study for and complete certifications. Get certified to show employers that you understand the fundamentals. Certifications enhance your job prospects and showcase your dedication to learning. The entry level ones are particularly valuable for high schoolers and career changers entering new fields. While exploring, remain vendor agnostic, opting for more general knowledge and commonly accepted certs. Third, show off your work and rise to the top of the resume pile. Now that you've learned what role you're aiming for and how to do it, you need to freshen up your resume and create a portfolio to showcase your knowledge, skills, and findings and newfound certifications. This is the action plan you need to take to get your first cybersecurity job. Hacking your cybersecurity resume. Step one in resume building is understanding that you're up against a robot. According to the experts at Fortune, the cybersecurity industry is one of the most, those industries that uses automated resume parsing to sift through candidates. These systems are looking for keywords and phrases in your documents, and if you don't have them, sadly, you'll be tossed in the garbage pile. However, job descriptions tell you exactly what they're looking for, keywords and all. So it is advised that people use it to beat the bot, copy and paste, and ChatGPT. It takes about 2 minutes to figure it out. Grab the job description, put it into AI, and design your resume bespoke for your particular job to get that interview. That's what I have for you today. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Also hit that notification bell and share this video so we can have this conversation at a global scale. It is really easy, guys. It is not that complicated. Just do what I said in this video and you will be good. You will land that job with very little cybersecurity experience. Trust your boy on that. So stay safe. See you on the next video.